Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make this refreshing and delicious strawberry lemonade. For this lemonade, I used water, strawberries, lemons, mint leaves, and sugar. Start by making a simple syrup by combining an equal amount of sugar and water. Let it simmer over a low to medium fire until the sugar dissolves, and set it aside to let it cool. In another pan, combine strawberries with water and lemon zest. You can either use fresh or frozen strawberries, but since we will not be using the pulp, frozen strawberries are the more economical option. Cover the pan with its lid and let it simmer over low to medium fire for about 7 to 10 minutes. While the strawberries are cooling, juice the lemons. Now strain the strawberries and try your best to get as much liquid out of the pulp as you can. Before we move on to the next step, we need to make sure that all our ingredients have cooled down completely. So in the pitcher, we are going to combine all the ingredients. Give it a stir and it is ready to be served. I like to serve it with ice and mint leaves, but you can also drink it just like that. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.